In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI features in Acrobat Web using Chrome. If you want a cleaner workspace in Acrobat Web and you prefer to turn off the built-in AI tools, this is a very simple process. I'll walk you through it carefully so you can follow along without missing anything. Make sure you already have Acrobat Web open in Google Chrome before you begin because everything we're changing will happen directly inside that browser tab. Start by looking for the Profile Preferences cog inside Acrobat Web. This is the settings icon you'll use to access your account and application options. Once you find it, click on it to open the Preferences menu. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct menu, since Acrobat Web can show several panels and tools depending on what document you have open. From that menu, navigate to Application Preferences. This is where Acrobat Web stores settings related to how the platform behaves in your browser. When you open Application Preferences, you should see a list of available options that control different features and interface elements. Now look for the setting labeled Enable AI Features. When you find it, toggle that switch to off. This step disables the AI-related tools that may appear in the Acrobat Web interface. If the switch changes state visually, that's a good sign that the setting has been updated successfully. Be careful not to change any other preferences unless you specifically intend to, since you only need this one adjustment for the result we want. After turning that setting off, reload your Chrome browser tab completely. This is important because the interface may not update right away until the page refreshes. You can reload the tab using the refresh button in Chrome or by refreshing the page with your usual browser shortcut. Give the page a few seconds to fully load again so all interface changes can take effect. Once the tab has finished reloading, confirm that the right-hand panel button, Layout, is removed. This is how you verify that the AI features have been successfully disabled. If the layout is no longer showing on the right side, then the change worked exactly as expected. And that's it. By updating the Application Preferences setting and refreshing the tab, you can remove those AI-related interface elements and simplify your Acrobat Web experience in Chrome.